Hi, what's up YouTube? If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel so you can see more exciting video. In this video, I will show you how to earn money online in the Philippines or wherever you are by just watching videos and no money to spend, no investment or even experience at all. Usually it takes money to make money, but today I'm going to show you how to earn $35 or more per hour just by watching videos online, and all you need is just little bit of time. That's it. So let's get into it now. Okay, the first thing to be noticed is you must have PayPal account. This is really important because you are gonna get the money in your PayPal. At the moment I don't have PayPal account, but soon I will have. The first website I'm going to show you is called User Testing, and they are paying you like 10, 20, 30 or $40 to watch videos about the product or test that product from the companies who are willing to pay you for that. And you are getting $10 for every 20 minutes video you complete. Or there are different options like visiting website or apps. So in 1 hour, if you take it in that 20 minutes, you make it 1 hour. In 1 hour you are earning $30, and if you're doing this for every day in 1 week, I mean if you're doing it every day in 1 week, you're gonna have $210 in a week. And if you continue to do that, you're gonna have $840 in a month. This method is very good for saving some cash in the side and maybe make a business with it or whatever, because it's a spare time, and 1 hour, it's only 1 hour you will spend and save some cash. Okay, next website I'm going to show you today is called Userfill. In here they are paying you $10 per each test, and each test take 10 to 20 minutes, and you can do it in your laptop or your smartphone or tablet, but it's much easier if you use your laptop. Here you can watch the example video they upload in the website, so you will know what to do. And this website, it's very similar to the last website I did show you, and you are doing things like watching videos or checking websites or apps, and that's it. And you get paid in your PayPal without investing or paying any money at all. It's totally free and no experience required. I will leave all the links for these websites below. Okay, next website I'm going to show you now is called Userlytics, and it's very easy to work with, and it's really the same thing with other websites. You can watch videos or visit and check websites and apps, and they are paying you 5, 10, 15, 20 or even as much as $90 per test. Yes, $90 per test. So guys, it's really easy to do, and all you need is just little bit of time. No money, no experience or whatever, just time. That's it. If you enjoy, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting video. And please let me know in the comment section below what kind of the online job you are interested in. Thank you for your time, and as always, never give up.